Everyone, this is Veena from Lotus Poultry Equipment. It's been 4 years Andy that we've established, and we're really happy about it. And definitely 1 year వచ్చేసి pandemic లో వెళ్ళింది. Everybody got affected, because pandemic tarvata prices inflate అయినాయి. Be it about PVC resin or iron అయినా సరే, suddenగా inflate అయినాయి, and now again suddenly deflation లోకి వెళ్తున్నాము. So it's like market is completely volatile, but still. Yeah, that's it. And then thanks to all the farmers and to the dealers also. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసి మేము poultry cages, feeding system and drinking system చేస్తున్నాము. And this year we've recently launched with this battery cage as well. So breeder battery cages. So as usual మా products కి patents ఉన్నాయి. I think 2018 లో we've started with layer feeder. We've expected people might copy our design on AC, and yes, they have copied as well, and yes, we are trying to fight back. It's really good. 3 years tarvata kada Poultry India show. It's really good, amazing. So much of crowd. Hope everybody gets better with this. Yeah, thank you.